right, shipmates, ladies, and germs. Got to get through some of these videos. I got a couple of packages come in. You probably saw my or review on my electric bike. Crazy though is that the box, the thing's kind of floating around in it. They didn't put any kind of bubble wrap or anything in there. Wondering if it's kind of weird. But let's see what's going on. Oh, Jump Starter. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. LokiTHOR. What are you, Santiago? What are you doing under there, the big boy? LokiTHOR. There. Jump Starter, Air Inflator, and 2-in-1. The JA301, 12 volt, 2000 amp. Okay, let's pop this thing open. Boom. I was amazed at the different jump starters that are out there right now, and I gotta admit, 24-hour AAA's got to be less business happening with these nice jump starters that are available to everyone, right? A lot of, maybe they're doing a lot of less battery jumping on the in the membership program. I'm assuming. Oh, cool! Not that heavy. Little box there. Oh, pretty nice. A little bigger than the last jump start I did, but this one's got a 150 psi inflator. You can't beat that. That comes tire inflator, all that good stuff. You can't beat that. And it's got a couple of hoses for basketball, plastic inner tubes, all those good things that you can use. Okay, so what do we got here? We obviously have the air inflator on this side. We have USB and Type-C connectors on that side, and you have the probably for the jump starter cable right there, and light, emergency flasher, SOS. Let's bring that over here. Oh, you guys can see that. There we go. We have the power button right there. Hold that power in, probably 1, 2, 3, boom, it's off. Power's on. You got your PSI button, which is probably to set your PSI at. You know, you hit that PSA and then you hit the minus. You reduce that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PSI. Hit the pump and it will start pumping. But let's check it out. Let's get out the package there. Okay, look, they got a little package that it came with. A bag of goodies. Let's pull them out, see what we got here. 4 different adapters, so it's pretty cool. Love this hose. Boom. Put this right on top of your inflator there, tire. Boom. I like it. Like it. I use it for my electric bike, blowing them tires up and then carrying this thing around. And see, it goes up to 150 psi, so I don't think there's too many tires out there that this should not do. I'll do a little test on the inflator down the road there. Very, very easy. I do like this cable. It's not some cheap ass cable, and you can flex it around so it's easy to get it hooked up to your bike. And then you have your basic 10 gauge, looks like 10 gauge wire. Get your positive, your positive, your negative, and it looks like it's copper. Huh, interesting. Very interesting there. Wow. And your USB C, Type-C. So you put the Type-C right there, and you plug this sucker into anything that charges it up. There you go. There you go, Joe. Can't beat that. Boom. And then you have a USB there so you can charge your phone. Let's see. Yeah, very cool. I'm back. Plug this into here. There we go. Boom. Yep, she's charging. There you go. Love it. But I will definitely do the inflator. I'll do the, already did the charge on that. I did the charge on the phone. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, try and wear it down and see how long it takes. It says it takes about 4 or 5 hours to charge this thing from the email that I was reading about it. But there you go. The JA301. Hey, this thing looks pretty bright, so I'm going to check that out tonight too. We'll get a dark area. There you go, guys. The JA301. Boom! With this light, boy, I'll tell you. I mean, look how bright this thing is. I don't want to put it right on there, but I mean, this is the light to have. So the utility box comes with. So what we're going to do is we're going to pump up the air, and this is my electric bike there. There's a couple of the other items comes with for basketballs and different inflators for two. Most important thing is, let's go ahead and try this out here. I really like this JA301 2000. It goes all the way up to 150 psi, by the way. So let's go ahead and do it. So obviously you turn the power on, and we're going to set the psi to 25 on this. Got it set for 22. Right? See that? Hold the set down. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 14. There it goes. 22 psi. How about that? Pull that out. A little plug back in. Tight. How about this little sucker here? Let me tell you. Really, really impressed with this unit. The handle. The just the overall look of it. Turn the power off. You hit 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Just the handle. I mean, it's really nice. So there you go. That's the tire pressure, or the air compressor. Like I said, it goes up to 150 pounds. That's pretty good. Here's starboard bow. I'm going to check out the JA301. I got a dead battery right here, so good opportunity for me to test this jump starter out. This is the adapter for the cables. First thing you got to do, obviously, positive, negative. I'm going to put the positive on the positive. Guys, remember, I'm not an engineer, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just testing out this JA301. I like to do these reviews. So let's put this on here. Okay, we got the negative on here. Power on. Okay, and then you take the jumper here. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's put this down over here, and we'll go ahead and have that gentleman go ahead and try and start your car there. See what we got. There you go, baby. She started right up. It's the JA LokiTHOR. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but this thing jump started. It worked out real good. So I suggest you guys the air compressor, the battery charger, the phone charger, the USB ports. Everything worked on this thing great. I love this unit. So remember, always disconnect the power first. Turn the unit off, and then disconnect the negative, and then there you go, guys. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it very much. All right, have guys, a good day. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Remember one big thing: I'm not a mechanic. I'm not an engineer. I am just a Joe Schmo out here, underway in his rig, using the availability of these great technical advances that are out there. They always come in handy for us guys that are out there. We need them. You have 2 or 3 of them on hand, that's fine. You can use them to charge your phones, your laptops, your tablets, things out there. And then this one is great because I can use it to inflate tires on my bike, and it's even easier to push, just carry this thing around on the bike. So it's not a big thing. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. And we'll see you down the road. Underway is the only way.